Hello everyone, I'm Deniz Yüksel, one of the design consultant and managing partner at Mosaic Design and Build. Today we are in Ashburn, Virginia, and a beautiful single house with an addition, 425 square feet kitchen bump out and a second floor office room. On the first level, we remodeled the kitchen by expanding the house 16 feet outward on the backyard. This beautifully designed kitchen utilizes all the daily usage needs for the client. We added a spacious kitchen design with gray cabinets on the perimeter and dark stain island cabinets with a full-size slab Kalahari Quartz countertops. We placed handmade stainless steel sink on the countertop with a cool air control button for the garbage disposal. We met with the homeowners a couple months before starting the project. We started the process by designing and then consultation of the permitting process and complete architectural and structural plans. After the submission of the HOA applications and the county permits, we started the project in 10 business days of the permit release. In this kitchen, we placed beautiful pantry and to increase the all storage space for the customers' daily usage. On the kitchen level, we installed nice bay view windows to bring the greenery on the backyard into the house. By this way, we could increase the space filling more than 400 square feet of the living area. Can you imagine that this is your attic space in your house? Yes, it is. So we utilize this space by installing a dormer style roofing here with a nice vaulted ceilings and skylights on the ceiling to bring a lot of sunlight into the room. So we converted this room as an office space, transitioning from the master bedroom on the second level. We also placed a laundry room and a walk-in closet on the second level by utilizing this attic space over the kitchen bump out addition. Today we are here with the homeowners, Hima and Shiva. Hello Hima and Shiva, how are you today?
Doing good.
This was a long journey and I want to ask you, how was your experience during this timeline? And would you like to share some of your experiences with us?
Sure. Thank you, Dennis. It was an amazing journey. We had, of course, it was a little long, but it was amazing and we were very happy with the service and the quality of work. There was continuous updates and we got very good design suggestions. Wherever we were confused, we got amazing design suggestions and the quality of work is amazing. We are very happy with the project and we can't wait to start using the house, the extension.
Gave it a totally different look to our home.
Yeah.
So
it feels like a new home.
So what affected your selection to go with this beautiful and white planks in ash color?
Yeah, so we were confused in the beginning, but we got amazing suggestions from Dennis when we were looking for options for our flooring. We wanted it to match with our cabinets selection, which is gray Vita cabinets and accent island cabinets, but we also wanted it to match with the other part of the house. So eventually our decision became using the hardwood, which matches everywhere else and it is uniform. So thank you for helping us with making that decision.
Thank you so much. I'm really excited to share these experiences with our future clients too, and thank you for sharing your experiences with us as well.
Thank you, Dennis. Thanks
Enjoy
for
your new space.
amazing work.
The scenery behind you are seeing me, we added this 16-foot extension by starting from this downspout and all the way down to the backyard end. So by matching the existing roof level, we added the attic space as a room by using a dormer style roofing system over here. This framing allows us to convert the second level and utilize this empty attic space as an office space added to the master suite as well. Thank you for choosing Mosaic Design and Build, and we are really excited to serve our future clients in Northern Virginia area.